Yo, what's going on, everyone? So what I decided to do with this YouTube channel for this foreseeable future is I'll just do a weekly recap, going over my trades from the previous week, what was going on in my mind, what I saw, that sort of thing. So here we have this past week, 75% win rate, 25% losing. Not bad. Could have been better. Friday was bad day for me. I made some stupid choices. We'll get into that later when we look at the charts. But just gonna be completely honest. Show all the trades. This will be like a so you guys can learn and see what I was thinking, what I saw. Also, just a journal and like to keep track of the trades for my record and see my growth over time. Alright, so on Monday was actually closed for Martin Luther King Day, but Tuesday the market was back open. So we had some bullish news come out. So I was ideally looking for something long going up. And let me look here. The first trade I took on Tuesday is at 937. Right here, I was trying to go long. I was trying to see. We had these long wicks down into the zone. I was hoping for a bounce like we had here up to this next level. Unfortunately, we broke through, so that was a losing trade. Small loss, closed out right below the zone here. But then at 944, we had a winning trade. I was going short. We came through my zone. What I've talked about in my previous video is a retest. We broke through the zone, bounced up, came into it. I got in here and rode it down to here. Big win, made up for the loss. And then I took one more winning trade on the day at 952. Yes, caught the bottom of the market here. This was a great trade. I saw it reaching once, another long one. This was my confirmation. I hopped in right somewhere around here, I believe. Rode up, took off half here, took off another half, and I was fully out. I'm not sure exactly where, but Tuesday was a great day. Took one loss, but made it all back, and ended the day up pretty high. On Wednesday, I took two winning trades, one on SPY and then one on QQQ. The first one on ES or SPY was at 935. So I saw this first candle reach in, get bought back up, reached a second time, got back up. We held down in it, and then I saw it reach very down, go back up. I got right in at the top of this candle, I believe, at 935, rode it up to this level. Got mostly out here because I saw this candle with the long wick above, implying some selling pressure. So I got out most there when I saw that, and it was a good decision because we rode back down. That was the first winning trade. The second one was on QQQ. Again, like I said before, I don't usually take trades on QQQ, but I saw a good setup here. Hold on 1 minute. Where is it? Down here. Oh. What time was this? At 9:41, I was going short. Yes, here's another, as I talked about, retest. We broke this zone. I saw the long wicks up. Doji candle right here. I hopped in right at 9:41. We reached back up in here, and that was a major win. That was a good dump. Yeah, Wednesday, another great day. After Tuesday and Wednesday, was up pretty nice on the week. On Thursday here, I caught a nice little play. We were chopping a little most of the day, zone trading. I saw us break this zone, come back up a little bit of a retest there. I wanted something more though before we kept going down. So right here at 9:48, I saw this candle go up and then immediately start to pull back down. I got in right below this zone. I wrote it down. That was the only trade I took today. I could have taken this one going up, possibly. I had a decent one on there, so I wasn't looking too hard to take another trade. Once I'm up good on the day, I usually don't try to take any more trades, but that would have been another winning trade looking at it now, but just the one on Thursday. Now, like I said earlier, Friday was not a good day for me whatsoever. I made some stupid decisions, and greed and being impatient got the best of me. The first trade, we broke through here. I thought on this candle here at 9:32, I thought we were going to have a little retest here and go back down. I should have waited for this candle to close. I don't know why I hopped in, but I mean, I hopped in here and then broke our zone, so I got stopped out right up here. It was a small loss, nothing crazy. But then we came back down, and we had some better candles here along wicks above, closing below the zone. So I got back in, trying to go short again, and I won that trade down to this area. I believe I got out most somewhere around here. I might have held one or two until we came back down and I saw this candle, and then I was fully out. But then at 9:51, I took another loss. On this candle, I wanted to see us reject back down. Again, I should have waited for candle close. I'm not sure why I hopped in trying to go down, especially when we have these long wicks here, implying some strong buying pressure. I should have waited for this candle to close. I hopped in the middle of it and immediately lost as we broke there. So after that first loss and this loss, I was up barely on the day. Nothing crazy. Then at 9:55, because I was upset, I wanted to make some more money because I took 3 trades and I didn't really get anywhere. I should just called it a day. I should have been done, but I was stupid. At 9:55, I cut in trying to go short. I just ended break even on this trade. Like, I think I waited a few minutes and sold out right on this candle, right at break even when I saw that long wick. I don't know why I hopped in. It's not in my zone. There's not really a whole lot going on here. I couldn't tell you. I was just trying to make some money. And then it gets worse because I took one more loss at 10:26. Again, I don't even know what to say here. This was just me being stupid. So stupid. I could have taken a trade off my zones, but I don't know what I was thinking. I was upset with the losses. I was upset that after taking 4 trades or 3 trades, I was still not anywhere, not in profit really, kind of just sitting at break even. And that was a bigger loss because I didn't have a zone here, so I was holding too long. And I could have held it and eventually would have went back down, but and Friday was just not a good day, You can take these days as a learning experience, though. I just got to keep my emotions in check. Got to be patient. Got to look for a perfect setup. Here, for example, when I was trying to see the retest, if I just waited, we would have had that perfect retest. I wouldn't have taken that small loss to begin with. You should always wait for a candle close to verify. Like this, I thought this candle was good while it was during this time frame at 9:32, but then as you see, the candle wasn't good at all. This doesn't imply any sort of this doesn't give you any sort of idea that we might be going down. But if you look at these candles, long wick above, we kind of wicked down there, but then we had some long wicks above stopping at the zone, and we went down, and I took that one. Here we could have bought back up, seen the wicks into the zone, a little bit of a doji. Yeah, not a good day Friday, but I'm not a professional. I haven't been doing this for multiple years yet. It's only been 6 or 7 months. So this is where you learn. Still ended up on the week. Still profited. Not as much as I should have probably if I just stopped trading on Friday instead of... five trades in one day is too much. Typically I look for 1 to 3. 3 is the most I want to take, and I took 5, and I paid for it because we lost a lot on Friday. Not a lot, but enough that, it was all completely my own fault, so I was just mad at myself, that's all. But everything's a learning experience. I know what I did wrong. I know I need to be more patient and just look for my setup, and don't try and get into a trade just because I want to hop in. Just be patient. But, decent week, not as good as the week before, but we'll take 1 week at a time and keep grinding.